The Gazella. Gazela. Battleship, New Jersey. This is a riverboat. Mississippi type riverboats. It's a Chinese junk. That's a Delaware River. That's a Delaware River Port Authority. That kind of like fancy building in the middle. I always wondered what that was, but I saw it on the news. That's what that is. A weird looking building. It's a Delaware River Port Authority building. And that's the old RCA building. Camden City Hall, Benjamin Franklin Bridge, and Center City, Philadelphia. Looking towards Center City, Philadelphia. Where's all the high rises? Well, it's the top of the Comcast thing.